Okay, coming hot. Home run. Your switch. Okay, home run, coming hot, so that's going to take all of them. This is going to be your switch.
So, tell you what, I'm going to cut these a little shy and he's going to have to deal with it. I hope. This box don't have as much room as that. These ones, I'm still close to 6 inches, it's right at it. Okay.
Now that I've done that, I don't know which one's my common. Okay. It really doesn't matter. So, one's going to be hot, one's not. As long as this one has a pigtail, let's go with it. I'll leave that for my switch. Now, I had some. Let me grab some wire ties. Like I said, it don't matter which one of these down here is switched. I was going to have the top one where it was switched, but it don't matter. You can have either one, as long as one of them that's coming down here is your black single wire. The other one that's going down here is tied into your home run, which goes to your breaker box with the pigtail. All three other wires are done like this with the pigtail. On your neutral, your ground, same thing. All three pigtail. Strip the wires. That's a lot of wire in this little box.
Hold on, did that way too much? Yep.
You don't even have to put a pigtail. I don't know why I did that. Don't put a pigtail on your neutral. I have no idea why I did that. And your ground. Here's the big deal. It's not wanting to break off. See if I can't get something in there to break it off. There we go. Normally, you can just break them off with a pair of pliers, needle nose. There we go. I want to get them a little bit more. Okay, that's the only thing that connects them to, is that jumper there. I broke it off. They're not connecting there. I'd like to get that a little bit more. It's good enough. It's more than enough. There we go. Push that back there. All right. Simple as hook one wire there. Hook your hot, your black, your neutral. Black, neutral. They never touch on the two wires. It's that simple. you will pigtail your neutral, or your ground. All right. Hey son, could you hold off for just a second?
Yeah.
Give me like 2 minutes. That's one hot. That's 2 hots. Now your neutrals. Put one on each screw. Like I said, it really doesn't matter. They're all tied in together up there at the top anyways. Just not your hots. And it really don't matter with your hots as long as you break that off on both sides. You might be able to get away without breaking it off on your neutral. I don't know. I've never tried it. Just always broken both off that way if you had a short somewhere it didn't jump over. All right, like I said, that's all you do. I hope that was easy enough for y'all to follow. I'm not always the best at explaining, but like I said, basically, you wire your home run into one of your blacks. Then you use the other black at the bottom of the switch. That makes it a switch system. Top of the plug will be hot all the time, or the bottom, and the other one will be only when you flip the switch. Tie all your neutrals together. Tie all your neutrals together. Your home run and one of your legs going down there on your hot. The other hot, you'll put a pigtail in it. The other hot, you'll wire into the bottom of the switch. All your grounds together down there. Neutral on one side, your hot's on one side. You break the tab off. That's all there is to it. It's pretty simple. And you got a switch for your garbage disposal and a constant hot for your dishwasher. All right, folks, if you would, like, subscribe, hit that share button. Stay healthy, be safe, and God bless. Thanks for watching.